About to experience alternate delivery during your program? Here's what you can expect. 1. You will have the same opportunity to achieve the course learning outcomes. You will be applying your knowledge in practical ways, including self-directed and independent work, whether you're studying in person or virtually. Many programs are a mix of delivery methods. These might include online discussions or chats, virtual meetings, videos, online presentations, and websites. Your faculty are available for questions, and student success facilitators can support your personal and academic success. 2. You won't be learning alone. You'll participate in your classes and interact with your instructors. All of your classes will be led by an instructor. You can follow up with them before or after classes at specified times. You'll get a timetable in your SLC.me student portal. You'll find specifics about each course in Blackboard. 3. You will be learning skills in addition to what is being taught in your classes. Alternate delivery uses similar methods to what the world is using to communicate today. You will gain valuable experience just by continuing to work towards achieving your academic goals.